Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyan Bharati Junior College of Science, Pulgaon. I am Shri Shilaskar sir, teaching physics subject from last 12 years at junior college level. So, dear student, we are going to see here the chapter semiconductor. So today's date is 13th of April 21. So dear student, here the word semiconductor means. So you will know about the meaning of semi. Semi means half, and conductor means a material which having the good electrical conductivity, that is the substance or material having good conductivity is called as the conductor, or simply in the another word, conductors is the material through which electrical conductivity or current can pass, means having the plenty of the free electrons for the conduction of the electricity. But here semi means half. So previous to this we have seen here the term conductor. Conductors are the substance or the materials having the electrical conductivity ability, means capacity or the ability of the material to conduct the electrical current through it is called as the conductor. So many materials are the substance aluminum, gold, iron and etc. having the good conductivity or having the ability to flow the electrical current through it is called as the conductor. So next one is the insulator. So insulator are the substance having the zero conductivity or very less conductivity, means here the substance having the zero conductivity or the less conductivity means through this substance the electrical current cannot pass easily or cannot pass. So the substance through which the electrical current cannot pass is called as the insulator, means here the electric current cannot pass. So such a substance are called as the insulator. Here the example rubber के बाद क्या है, ग्लास और वुड, माइका etc. So these are the examples of the insulator. But dear student, here is the third type of the material, that is the semiconductor. So here semiconductor is the material having the electrical conductivity in between these two means conductor and insulator, means ज्याची इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिव्हिटी किंवा रेजिस्टिव्हिटी या दोघांमध्ये येते आहे, दोघांच्यामध्ये मीन्स कंडक्टर आणि इन्सुलेटर या दोन सबस्टन्सच्यामध्ये ज्या सबस्टन्सची ज्या मटेरियलची कंडक्टिव्हिटी किंवा रेजिस्टिव्हिटी आहे त्या मटेरियलला, त्या सबस्टन्सला काय म्हणतो आपण, सेमीकंडक्टर. सो हियर द सेमीकंडक्टर कॅन बी डिफाइंड ॲज ए सबस्टन्स और मटेरियल्स having the electrical conductivity or electric resistivity. What I am saying, resistivity बोलो या तो फिर conductivity बोलो, lies in between that of the what, conductor and insulator is called as semiconductor. So the substance or the materials having the electrical conductivity between that of the conductor and the insulator is called as semiconductor. So dear student, here are some examples. Silicon having the atomic number 14 is the best example of the semiconductor. So second example is the germanium having the atomic number कितना है इसका 32. So here are the two examples of the semiconductor. Silicon, because here the silicon having the atomic number 14 and germanium having the 32, means here the electronic configuration of the silicon is 2, 8 and 4. मीन्स फर्स्ट सेल में इसके 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सेकंड सेल में इसके 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन और थर्ड सेल में इसके 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. मीन्स ये स्ट्रक्चर अगर देखा जाएगा तो फिर क्या होगा. सपोज दिस इज द सिलिकॉन स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इज द सेंट्रली सिचुएटेड न्यूक्लियस हैविंग द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. सो इसके पहले सेल में कितने हो गए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 2. दूसरे में कितने रहेंगे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. और थर्ड में कितने रहेंगे, मीन्स यहाँ पे रहेंगे 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 2 3 और 4. मीन्स इन द आउटर मोस्ट सेल, दिस इज द आउटर मोस्ट सेल, दिस इज द आउटर मोस्ट सेल of silicon. Means in this case outermost shell of the silicon containing here the 4 electrons. Means octet is incomplete now. So in order to complete the octet we need here the 4 electrons. So here this substance may give the 4 electron to another or by gaining the 4 electrons from another. Means here for the completion of the octet is need the 4 electrons. Means it cannot give the 4 electrons to other or it cannot give the 4 electron by other. So here is the sharing of the 4 electron between the two silicon atom for the completion of the octet. Means यहाँ पे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, पहले सेल की 2 की कैपेसिटी है 2 कंप्लीट हुए, दूसरे की कितनी है 8 की कैपेसिटी 8 यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया. पर लेकिन तीसरे में क्या है 4 है. मीन्स ये 4 नहीं दे सकता किसी को, 4 को देना है या तो फिर 4 लेना है किससे. बट लेकिन इट कैन नॉट गिव द 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और इट कैन नॉट डोनेट और इट कैन नॉट गिव और गेन द 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन. बट बाय शेयरिंग इट कैन complete the octet. Means here this 4 is the valency of the silicon. This 4 is the valency because here outermost shell of the electrons, outermost shell of the atom having the 4 electrons, therefore 4 is the valency of this substance silicon having the valency 4 because it requires the 4 electron for the completion of the octet. So here is the silicon structure is suppose now this I am giving here the silicon structure. So this is silicon structure now. Silicon again यहाँ पे क्या है सिलिकॉन स्ट्रक्चर है और ये हर एक के पास कितना है 4 चार्ज है. सो दिस इज द सिलिकॉन स्ट्रक्चर. दिस सिलिकॉन स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज द सिलिकॉन नेटवर्क also. So this is the silicon network. What I am drawing here is called as the silicon network or silicon structure simply. So here by observing this silicon network or structure you are very confident to understand it. Here I am showing you these silicon atoms arranged in a manner silicon, silicon and silicon. Now observe this structure. Each silicon atom having the 4 valence electrons. So this is the electron of this centrally situated silicon atom. This is another electron, this is another and this is another. Means this centrally situated silicon atom having the 4 electron. This one is the first, here is the second, here is the third and here is the fourth. Means these 4 electrons pairs with the another silicon atoms but 4 neighboring atoms here means 4 means ये पहला, ये दूसरा, ये तीसरा और ये चौथा means what I am saying, in order to complete the octet, in order to complete the 8 electron structure octet rule, this centrally situated silicon atom pairs with 4 neighboring silicon atoms means this silicon atom having 1 electron, this silicon atom having the 1 electron, this silicon atom pairs 1 electron, this silicon atom pairs the 1 electron. Now here centrally situated silicon atom having the 4 electrons and 4 electrons from the neighboring 4 atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. Each neighboring atom shares the 1 electron with the centrally situated silicon atom. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here is the sharing of the electron, and by the sharing of the electron, covalent bond is formed. This bond is called as the what? Covalent bond. This is called as the covalent bond. Means here is the formation of the covalent bond by sharing of the electron from each neighboring silicon atom. Now here octet is complete and this structure is stable now. But when to this structure, अब ये structure बन गया है in the form of the wafer, and suppose to this silicon structure at the room temperature, what will happen? None of the absolute zero of the temperature, suppose मान के चलते अपन, तो ये स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर पे अपन देखा तो क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे फ्री नहीं है, none of the electron is free in this structure. Therefore this pure structure of the silicon or the germanium is what? Behave as, treated as bad conductor of the electricity, and bad conductor of the electricity is called as the insulator. Keep in mind, this may be asked for the MCQ. At absolute zero of the temperature, pure semiconductor crystal, that is the germanium or the silicon, behaves as the insulator. But when at the room temperature, as the temperature goes on changing, as the temperature goes on increasing at the room temperature, then some of the covalent bond will be breaks due to the thermal agitation, and due to the breaking of the covalent bond, the electron and the holes will be generated in the structure. Means some of the electron will be break up from the covalent bond and holes will be created at its original place. What I am saying, keep in mind. Means ये क्या करेगा, as the temperature goes on increasing, इसमें का क्या होगा, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक होने के बाद ये इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से क्या होगा, बाहर निकलेगा, बाहर निकले से क्या होगा, यहाँ पे absentee of the electron क्रिएट होगा, क्या होगा, absentee of the electron, and that absentee of the electron is called as the hole. क्या होगा, होल. और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होगा, अभी बाहर निकल गया, बाहर निकलने के बाद क्या होगा, तो दूसरी स्पेस क्या करेगा, ऑक्युपाई करेगा, पर लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या करेगा, वैकेंसी क्रिएट करेगा. दैट वैकेंसी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कॉल्ड एज द होल, और इट इज कॉल्ड एज द absence of the hole. And here means positively charged hole is created and negatively charged electron is there. Means here in the pure germanium or the silicon crystal, there is the formation of the electron hole pair, because electron having the negative charge, holes having the positive charge. And to this structure now, if the potential difference is given, means here the battery is applied, if potential difference is applied, then what will happen, the electrons and the holes that are created or generated inside that of the pure semiconductor crystal above the room temperature, then the electrons will be moved towards the positive terminal of the battery, while the positively holes are attracted toward the negative terminal of the battery. Therefore, in this way, there is the conduction of the electric current through the pure semiconductor crystal about the room temperature at the room temperature. Okay. So here, in this way, the pure semiconductor crystal acts as the कंडक्टर. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया या तो फिर क्या किया, रूम टेम्परेचर पे लेके गए तो क्या क्या हुआ, एक कंडक्टर यूज हुआ, कंडक्टर एज अ कंडक्टर क्या हुआ, बिहेव हुआ, एक्ट हुआ. ठीक है, तो ये आ गया. बट लेकिन क्या होगा, सपोज आई वांट टू फैब्रिकेट नाउ व्हाट, द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस, मीन्स I want to increase the electrical conductivity of the devices, then this is not enough. So I want to make some of the here fabrications or modifications in the pure semiconductor crystal. What? For the fabrication of the semiconductor devices like the transistor, diodes and another devices, I want to increase the current capability of the pure semiconductor crystal. For that process, doping is required.